Welcome. In front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to set up your laptop. So first, select the country or region for your laptop and click yes. And then select the right keyboard layout for you and click yes again. And if you want to add a second one, click right here, and if you don't, just skip. Then connect to the Wi-Fi network, enter the security code and click next and wait until you're connected. For further steps, let me try again. Okay, once you're connected, click next and wait for the Windows updates to be checked for. And then you can name your device if you want to, but your PC is gonna restart once you do that. So if you want to, you can name your device right here and click next. I'm gonna skip this step because the device will be named using a default name anyway. And wait for a while again. And then select whether you want to set up this PC for personal use or for work or school. In case it's your private property, use for personal use, and if it's the property of your organization, go with the second option. So once you select the right option, click next and then wait again. Okay, so at this point we'll have to wait until the device is updated, so don't worry, just keep waiting and make sure that your device is plugged into the charging cable. Okay, so once the update is complete, you can go to sign in and sign in to your Microsoft account, input your credentials, input your email or phone number, and press next or just enter. Then enter the password for your Microsoft account. Press enter again and wait for a while until your Microsoft account is connected with your Windows. And then if you want, you can set up a fingerprint for your device. I'm gonna skip this step for now. We can always do this in settings. Create a PIN for your device and confirm it. Enter in the same PIN again. Press OK. Then select privacy settings for your device. So if you want your device, if you want to get data based on your location, select yes. If you want to find your device easily, if it gets stolen or lost, then also don't forget to check Find My Device option. And now diagnostic data will collect data of your usage of the device. So if you don't want your data to be collected, then switch to required only. Then I suggest that you can switch this two toggles to the left too, because they will just simply collect the data from your usage for Microsoft. So unless you want to use any of this to share any of this data, just select no. And if you do want to, then select yes. Then click accept and wait a while. Then in the following window you'll be able to customize your experience. You can always do this in settings, and this barely changes anything, so I'm gonna skip it for now. then wait again. Then if you want to use your phone from your PC, you have to scan this QR code if you're using an Android phone, and if you're using an iPhone, click skip and then link your phone using iPhone link application. Then for the photos, if you want to back up your phone's photos, you can scan this QR code. If you don't, just skip it. Then select not now. Then if you don't want to buy a don't want a free trial of Microsoft 365 and then start paying $129.99 a year, click decline, otherwise continue. The same goes for Microsoft 365 Basic. At this point you should click next. Okay, and the same goes for the PC Game Pass. So if you don't want to join, just click skip. And at this point the Windows is fully set up. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.